Hi guys, how are you all today? Welcome back to my channel. I am starting this vlog on the 1st of December 2023. It is right now 4 o'clock. It's slightly over 4. I just came back from my trip to London and it was such a fun trip, but it was also very hectic. So throughout the day I have just been resting. I did a little bit of work and I booked an appointment at the parlor for my hair wash and eyebrows. I'm already running late for that, so I will quickly be heading out. I still haven't bought my outfit. I don't know what I'm going to wear tomorrow. I have never been this disorganized and I wanted to buy something from London because I was there for a long time, but then I was like, do I have enough weight allowance in my baggage? And I didn't want to risk it, so I was like, never mind, we'll buy it from Delhi. Usually when I'm on vacation I end up taking it easy, but because of that I now have a lot of backlog and I have to finish a lot of pending campaigns, some of which go up tomorrow, so I have to start filming today itself. And I really am trying to get my life together at this point. We'll also be going shopping in just a bit, so stick around and I'll show you exactly what I'm wearing. I myself don't know what I'm wearing right now, so we'll figure this out together. Good morning guys, it is the next day. There's so much to do. I need to get ready, I need to finalize my outfit, which is finalized, but just like I need to show you guys everything. I also want to have breakfast and then I want to leave. I'm gonna quickly go get ready. I will show you my outfit and then we will get onto the makeup and then we'll eat breakfast and we will quickly leave. Hi guys, okay, first things first, every year we do a havan at home before we actually go out to party. It's just like a ritual that we do every year. It's my nanny's thing that she started and now we've just been, actually my nanny's mom started it, and ever since we've just been doing that. Quickly going to go for the havan, and this is my outfit for the havan. I'm just going to wear this shawl because it's super cold and I'm wearing socks, which I find very weird, socks under suits and stuff, but anyway, we're going to go for the havan. I'm going to start with my makeup right now, and once I'm done with makeup I will then move on to the hair. I'm just thinking I'll do like my open loose bouncy curls that I do, nothing too fancy because I just want to keep it nice and casual. We're going for like a brunch lunch situation. A lot about the new launch from L'Oreal Paris, the Infallible Matte Resistance. So today we'll be putting this to a 16-hour test to see how this does. With just one swipe, you saw how intense the color payoff was. Now let's see how this does throughout the day. I am honestly super impressed with how nice this looks and how rich the color is. Sim is finalizing the outfit. हम बहुत crisis में चल रहे हैं with the time. Sim, what are the options?
First option is this.
Okay, perfect. Breakfast for today. We've got croissants, patties, and we've got pancakes. I honestly love blueberry pancakes. Pancake for Sim, pancake for me. Okay, so breakfast is done and what I realized was there's been no transfer. The lipstick is transfer proof, it's smudge proof. These are infallible lips that resist food. Outfit is ready. Sim has put together this gorgeous fit. This is exactly what I wanted. Simran is one person जिसको पूरा vision समझ आ जाता है in like 5 minutes and she does it. Somehow, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे she does it, but look at how pretty this looks. Alright, so I'm ready to leave. I'll be seeing you guys at the restaurant. Just want to touch up a little bit on my makeup just because it's like finishing touches, you know. Although my lipstick hasn't smudged, it hasn't budged, so there's nothing I have to do there, which is honestly just impressive. We are finally here. The time is 2:47. So 1 hour 47 minutes late. But at least we are here. ये बार-बार घड़ी कैसे तो न्यू वॉच बार-बार घड़ी दिखा रहे हैं. These are infallible lips that resist water. Better लग रहा है. These are infallible lips that resist.
हेलो गाइस, सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर ना पहले खत्म हो गया. मैं वीडियो ऑन करनी भूल गया था. सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर पहले खत्म हो गया.
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday.
Hi guys, we're back home. It is 7:30 right now and I had no idea we were going to spend so much time over there. So after eating, we were taking a lot of pictures. We were just catching up on everything that's been going on in each other's lives, and especially once you're done with school or college. You realize that when you don't meet every single day, there's so much to catch up on. Even though, yes, Instagram keeps us all connected, but even then there's just so much that we need to catch up on when we meet our friends. So I think that was what I really needed. We came back home around 6:30 and then I changed into something which is much more easy breezy. It's like this really loose oversized jumper that I'm wearing with this collar t-shirt that I actually got as a gift from a friend today in the morning. Next up on the agenda, Nani Nana and I are going for a movie. I think it's called Sam Bahadur. I've heard really good reviews about it. It also has like a 9 rating out of 10. The movie starts around 9, so we still have some time. I haven't touched up on the lipstick at all as of now, and you guys can see it is still as it was, still perfect. One thing I realized today after meeting my friends after a very long time is that, you know, that old circle of friends that you have when you're in your developing years, when you're in school, college, you're still learning, you're not working, you're not officially like an adult. No matter how many friends you make when you're working, we all make friends when we join offices, and throughout our lives actually we all end up, you know, bringing more people into our lives and carrying them with us. But those friendships that you make when you're young, when you're in school, college, you will always hold on to them so dearly, and they are the people who know you like no one else. You can become the biggest celebrity in the world, but these are the people who will humble you down. So always, always, always cherish these friendships. Okay, this is my outfit for the movie. I'm not wearing anything very fancy. It's just the same makeup that I'm wearing. This top, you probably can't see it, but just a sneak peek. And then this is my oversized sweater that I again got as a gift from a friend. So this is my entire gifted wardrobe. And then these are jeans that I recently bought from London. Bag is done, outfit is ready. ये अच्छी लगी? आपको मूवी कैसी लगी?
तेरे साथ तो अच्छी लगी. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी. I am all for Amli.
Hi guys, we are back. Okay, this was the top I was wearing underneath the jumper in case you were wondering. And the movie was incredible. Like, I have not seen, I mean, I've seen so many movies at this point, but I have not seen such a nice, wholesome movie which is not about like item songs and all of the rest. It's more about like substance that it's giving to you. It's on Sam Manekshaw in case you're wondering. Now let's do a final check to see how the lipstick is doing. It has stayed in place for almost 16 hours. Can you believe it? This genuinely makes me feel infallible. You know how some lipsticks just become our go-to lipsticks, like on an everyday basis, the lipstick that you end up going to, reaching out for. This is going to be it for me. I honestly love the shade. If you're doing a glam look, this will look perfect with that, but if you're doing something very simple, this will also look really good with that. And it's just for $9.99, so it's absolutely amazing for the price. One question that I get so very often is, what lip shade are you using? This you will be seeing on all of my posts, all of my videos moving forward, so you don't have to ask me now. You know exactly what lip shade it is. I'll leave a link for it down in the description box as well. Make sure you check it out. I would highly recommend this for all of my college and office going girls, because when I was in college, one of the biggest problems of my life was not having a long lasting lipstick, but you don't have to go through that problem. Final thoughts about my birthday. I think it was a super fun day, very eventful. I haven't had a second. Every single year my family and I, we also donate. This year I think we'll do it next week because I came back on the 30th and then first I was just working, so I haven't had time to take out things to donate. For next week, that is my plan of action. Your birthday is this day where I feel you have this sort of reflection. Every single year on my birthday, I try to think about all the good things that have happened this year and things that I've accomplished or things that I want to improve in the next year. This year when I made my list, I just do it on my notes app, but this year when I made my list, I was like, oh my god, like I had no idea, because last year when I was in London, because you're on a time crunch, I was only there for 1 year, so I was doing so much and I knew कि हर महीने कुछ ना कुछ तो achieve करना ही है. This year, I mean, now that I'm here, I don't have like a time crunch here, so it's very easy to take time for granted and things for granted, but just seeing how much we've accomplished gives you such a nice sense of realization. Even if you think that you haven't accomplished too much, just small things that we don't even realize. Try to give yourself credit for that. I am telling you, it works like a charm. It is so important to do this. Just as with every other birthday, I obviously miss mom so much, but I know she's here with me and she will always be here with me. She's seeing me every single day, so whatever I do, I know that she's going to be with me. Alright guys, having said that, I hope you all enjoyed today's video. It was a very chill, casual, fun vlog. I wanted to keep you guys with me on my 25th birthday because I do these birthday vlogs every single year, so I didn't want to skip out on my 25th as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know what other videos you want to watch. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe because I do make a lot of these fun videos, fashion related videos. I'll be seeing you guys very soon in another video. Till then, bye bye.